What's up, guys? 1 second here, guys. Where is this image? Yes. There we go. All right. All right. Let's go. Come on. Haven't even opened my trading view yet. I was rushing because we got news in about 6 minutes now. All right. Okay, so yeah, I'm currently running. So today we made profit of what today? This is 14, right? Yeah. So we closed. What is this? Which one is this one here? Oh, okay. I thought that was $2,000. I was like, wait, what? $2,000? No. So we already closed profit of about $278 this morning, and that was USD. I know. The line should be somewhere here, no? Maybe I should turn off history. I should turn on history. Oh, okay, so look at that. So this was a trade we closed overnight. This was it. All right, so this was a trade. So we closed your USD today. $278, and that's it. Yeah, so that was it. And now we're currently running GU right now, though. Oh, what is? Okay, sorry, I gotta use the nano one. All right. So I'm currently running GU right now. I'm hoping GU comes back to the zone below this level right here. Yeah, so we're pretty much looking at the trade to come down to this level right here. I mean, like, maybe we could still do one more flush, but I don't think so. But let's look at trading view and let's kind of like, break this down together, all right? So, I mean, like, again, like, look at yesterday, right? So yesterday we swept the London high, right? And we were hoping for that fall to happen right here, but it didn't happen. So usually when we have a setup like this, where we didn't have the, typical London section, drop, like London section manipulation, sweep and stuff, and didn't play out. And it's supposed to play out. So if they drag this all the way, like, all the way down to like Asian section, to London section, and now back to this New York section. And now you have to take note that, look, so again, what do we have here, right? So we have the Asian eye being swept right here. So I think the worst case scenario that we might do right now that we should prepare for is maybe this one here and come back down, right? Maybe that's the worst case scenario. But again, we are currently below the previous daily high right here. Okay, so I feel like, if we have to do this bunch of range and stuff, I think this is going to be the case. And if you look at the full hour, we are probably looking at the red line as a target. So we have to look at, okay, this is where it is. All right, so that's the line we are targeting right there. So this is what we're looking at. Again, to confirm this, let's look at what DXY is currently doing. What the fuck is that, bro? Why do I keep getting USD breaking down? The fuck? Do I have notification turned on? Oh, no, I don't want to have notification turned on. All right, that's settled. What's disturbing my freaking ass? Okay, guys, so pretty much this is it. So again, like, DXY is currently looking good right now. So we feel like DXY is going to go all the way up right here. So if this is going to happen, I think your USD, I mean, like, look at your USD. So we are looking at a drop right here on your USD. So I think that's going to really happen. So if DXY checks out, your USD checks out, and GBP/USD, I think we need to check out as well. But again, we have a London low right here. So we have to be careful with that. What's up, Sam Olu? Yeah. What's up, bro? Donnie, bro, why am I not being approved in the Discord? Well, I mean, like, if they check it and they couldn't find a match, maybe we haven't gotten to you yet. If we check it and maybe you just, I mean, like, the instruction clearly says, like, you have to register with one of the brokers. That's the simple task, If it's not there, then they cannot approve you. So you have to figure something out. Then we cannot approve you. I'm so sorry for that. So in 26 seconds, we have a news coming right now. So guys, like, this is a key zone right here. This might go one boom. So this is why I kept my stop loss This is why I kept my stop loss literally like a little bit above the zone right here, just in case, we might do a little bit of craziness before we start going down. Yeah, you know, I don't know. 6 seconds right here. Let's see what's gonna happen. I mean, like, this kind of news is not supposed to really do much. What happened? Okay, okay, okay. There we go. There you go, guys. There you freaking go. There you freaking go. I'm looking at my big account right here. All right. Okay. I'm damn up. Okay. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Fucking go. Okay. This is going to be the cool question. How much am I market? How much am I flexing? I'm closing that shit right now. Close. Close the freaking thing, bro. Come on. Did I close? Did I close? Oh my God. Wait. Oh shit. Live account. What? I have to. Let me have this again. Damn, bro. My shit is frozen, bro. My shit is frozen. Why am I not getting tagged out, bro? Did I enable auto trading? Oh my freaking God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I haven't closed on my DB account. Shit, bro. Oh shit. Okay. Oh my God. Look at where I closed the fucking trades. That's so annoying. Like, oh my God. I forgot to enable. Oh my fucking God. I was on profit mode. Oh my God. Oh my freaking God. I can't even click anything. Why am I fucking lagging, bro? I don't fucking. Bro, I don't fucking. What? But the Windows is not lagging, bro. Wait, can I drop a chat on it? I can't even click the fucking box. Why? What is fucking happening, bro? I don't know. Anytime news happens, like I have this glitch on the I don't know. I don't know. Is it the EA or the broker? I don't know. I don't know. Oh my God. This is oh my God. I literally lost like a couple bucks there. That was $900, $947. We closed out $800. That was a fucking nasty trade there, guys. No. This is not supposed to happen. So when I'm taking a loss, I'm taking a loss. But then when I have a profit, I'm losing a lot of my profit back before I close that shit. So I just cannot close when we have high impact news. I cannot close just like that. Really? Seriously? Is that what oh my God. Now this is so fucking sad, guys. This is so fucking sad. This is sad. Oh my God. That is so sad. Let's see what's going on. I don't know. I gotta look at this. I know freaking I am the best fucking world developer if I have to, because what the fuck is happening, bro? No, this cannot be it. Like, okay, so now you're locking. Okay, good. So let me turn on this zone. Oh my God. Oh well, we still managed to close out the zone, guys. We still managed to close out the zone, but still a win. I mean, like, still a win. I mean, like, I would have loved to see that. Oh my God, $1,000. I thought the total take profit on that thing was $700. I thought it was $700 fucking dollars, guys. $8,000? Let's go. Oh my God. So I lost $8,000 in about 28 days. But then in one day, 2 back-to-back trades, the account is sitting at a fucking $1,000. Oh, I know what happened. So I rebooted my my Windows PC. So literally, like, since I'm not running this MT4 MT5 on a VPS, so it's not really storing all the data from, because I'm running a live because I want that speed, you understand? But on the VPS, if I have to, like, stream directly on the VPS sound like, slow, and I don't want to be paying freaking $100 a month for a VPS, but I just wanted to have it because look at this right now. I'm gonna show you this. Well, I might not. Guys, look at this. So this is the freaking VPS, right? It's reconnecting. So this is what it does. Do you see this? Like it's reconnecting right now. But wait, I want to show you something. So this is my iPad right now. You can see that. So I can, when I'm in my bedroom, right? I can literally, you can see, I can literally have my same screen on my Windows on my iPad. So I can manage literally everything. I'm up $2,700 on this account. So you can see it right here, $2,700. So that's it. So yeah, I'm running a couple big accounts right now. But again, oh my God, look at that rejection right there. So let's look at all the pairs. Let's see. Yes, you can see that. Yes, you can see that. You can see if I had hoped for more on that trade, I would have lost. But, you know, I made my last mission. You know what? I'm tired. I'm not going to do any other. I'm not going to do dumb stuff anymore. I'm going to wait for either proper sweep. I'm going to just have like a really, really good reaction instead of like, you know, punch in a trade, guys. I am going to have, like, I made it my last mission. So yesterday, you can see I was only executing after having some sort of like a sweep or something like that. That I can walk base off. All right. So let's look at what Euro USD did. So you can see right there, like this is what it did. All right. Let's look at USHF. Also up. You can see that is what it did. Like literally, guys. You can see. So that was seconds before the news. I wasn't expecting this, but again, this is 15 minutes. I forgot. This is 15 minutes. All right. So yeah, guys, we're now around $1,000, bro. $1,000 fucking. I think when I started the stream, my trade entry, the price was literally almost like just couple pips from my entry. So you guys could have gotten in right there. You could have gotten in right there. Right there. So let's see. I'm gonna go on Discord right now. I'm gonna see if I can show you guys the entry so you can see that. No, this is not fake. This is not fan. This is just there, guys. This is just literally there. I'm opening my Discord right now, guys. All right. Where are the transactions? So, guys, I want you to look at the Discord. Look at this, guys. Do you see this? So this was what we took the entry. Do you see that? Do you see that? Guys, can you see that? So that was what we took the entry. So you can see that was it. And again, on the Discord, you can see that the entry was there. The exit was there. Oh, wait. Was this closed? Okay, this was a closed trade. Sorry. So you can say this was the entry. This was my lot size. This was the SL number. This was the TP impaired. This was the RR of the trade. This was the balance. This was the mass loss. This was the mass win. Like I said, I was going to compound on the next trade. So I did exactly just that. And I waited for this sort of reaction that I would want to play. Like, this is just it. Like, this is it, guys. I'm done with my day, just so you don't know. If you guys haven't figured that yet, I'm done with my freaking day, guys. I make $2,700 on my big account. I make fucking $800 on a fucking $100 account. Oh, no, $200 account, sorry. So that was it, guys. You can see when he closed, I was on the stream, right? I was on the stream, right? So you can see the closed, you can see the entry, you can see the exit, you can see the profit, you can see the profit win, you can see the pips, you can see the lot size, you can see the duration of the trade, you can see the new balance, you can see what did I do? Was it TP or it was closed manually? It was closed manually. So every single information is right there. No one else is going to give you this level of transparency, guys. No one else is going to give you that. Oh, okay. I know why my shit was lagging. I know why my shit was lagging now. So today I decided to stream and record at the same time, guys. I decided to stream and record at the same time. So on top of that, I'm running NVIDIA broadcast, and this shit is using the hell out of my GPU right now. So I can't even game on this stuff because I'm directing, and I'm trying to, increase the quality of the sound of the mic. So I'm utilizing, most of my GPU to, make it sound like a studio voice. Maybe I'm just going to go for, a physical setup. Maybe I'm going to buy, a Rodecaster Pro, stuff like that. I don't want to, go in too much. I'm not a content creator. I just want to have fun. Wake up every single day and fucking trade. That's kind of, that's my life. That's what I want to do, I don't want to be all in on buying ton of shit. I already have crazy shit that I didn't even use. Anyways, that was the trade, guys. That was literally the trade. You can see that. That was literally the trade, guys. That was it. That was when I took it in. So everybody got notified. You can see that. And this is what when I close on the stream right now. So everything is just automatic. And I'm running this on the VPS. That's why I didn't have to manually come and update anything. So this is on the VPS. You can see, guys. You can see there's about 199 ticket here, guys. 199. I was just punching through everything. I mean, no, I can, I'm just gonna look at that. I promise you guys. But we're already working on it. We approved a couple of people yesterday. So And now it's consuming. So yeah. Um. Yeah. That was a great trade. That was a really great trade. I mean, the trade worked out because this drop should have happened yesterday. Do you understand? But it didn't, right? It did not happen yesterday. Maybe this might actually go back up here, but let's see. Let's see. I mean, I'm not supposed to be taking any trade right now, but let's see. Let me look at gold. Did gold drop? Okay, gold is dropping right now. Guys, I think we can still take gold though. I think we can still take gold. Can we take gold? Can we take gold? Because I don't think. Let's see the 4 hour right there. Yeah, guys, I think I can take gold, guys. I think I can take gold. Let's see. Let's try. Let's try to take gold right now. I'm gonna try to. What is this? Gold? No, this is not what I'm looking for, bro. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Yeah, guys, I think we can take gold right now, though. I think we can take gold. So I can. I'm gonna go for. I'm gonna go for the ton of P mode right there. I want to go dollar amount. I'm gonna go just $200 right here, guys. Because I don't really want to lose anything. Wait. What? Ton of background. Okay, good. I want to maintain this high right here. I don't think that's gonna be bad, but I don't think. I think we're gonna win. So, guys, I'm on sale right now on gold, and as usual, right? If I go to my Discord, you can see the notification is already there. Like the moment I punch in a gold trade, you can see it's right there, guys. Can you see that? So no, I'm not gaming anything. You can see everything is just right here. So I don't really have fun for that. I mean, I lost. I lost. If I win, I win. Like it's my money again. So you can tell me how to play my money. So that's just it. $1,000. I said when we reach $1,000, I'm not gonna compound that shit. But again, I think I'm putting gold. Let's see. So let's analyze gold again. Now we are currently wicking out this low right here. We're currently wicking out the low right here. All right, but everything points this direction. Points down right now. So I think what we should be looking at right here is to see gold come somewhere around here, right here. All right, based on 4 hour time frame, I think where do I put my stop loss? I put my stop loss somewhere around here, right? Let me see that again. I think I may have overdone it. Mm. Yeah, well, I mean, like that should work out. I mean, for what the next season right here. So I'm just letting me put the next season right here. So let me see how much I'm gonna be making around here because I'm risking $20 right now. All right, so that's I would take it $250. I would take it, to be honest. I'm not gonna try to wait for breaking the zone and going to the other level right there. So I'm gonna see how this checks out. I'm gonna see how this works out. But I refuse to believe gold is just gonna want to trap up like this because yesterday, if you understand, yesterday, right? So yesterday I should have go from here, and I told you guys the more we close, I closed around this level right here on the big account right there because I'm gonna take that on the small account. Right. So we did this. And again, I didn't see when this happened. If not, I would have taken it from here, right? And I would have my stop loss and I would have made money on this one. But then because I got in somewhere right here, so I got in very, very late. So now I have to hold to somewhere around here to get a big profit done. But again, like I said, when we have a play like this play like this is, supposed to lead to an aggressive sell right here, right? But if it didn't happen and they drag this all the way back to Asian section or anything like that, now, you know that you have to take the next leg on the second day. So again, I am taking this. Like, you know what? I think this is going to go all the way down. I think this is going to go all the way down because I don't really see the 4 hour doing anything. I don't really see doing anything much, to be honest. I think this is just going to go down. I think it's going to go down. But let's look at what DXY is doing. Could DXY going up? I mean, like, I still think it's going to want to go up, though. I still think it's going to want to go up. Oh my god, that rejection is not fucking good. Not good for my health, bro. But if I lost, where my account be sitting at? I'll be sitting at $830. I would take that. No problem. No problem. I will fucking take that. I'm not risking much on this. I'm not risking much on this. Guys, we are $1,000 up right now, guys. $1,000 up. That is good. That is so fucking good. And that was live. You could I think on YouTube you could go back and watch it live. gold is really rejecting that, but I don't think we should go up here because we have the eternity DMA, we have the 200 DMA. So I really think this is just it's just a good. I think that's gonna do anything. I think it's still gonna go back down. Oh, okay. Look at how DXY is currently closing. Is it gonna do this one? I mean, we could. Let's look at the daily. I think this just to fuel back up. To be honest, I think it's just to fuel back up. Oh, let me see. Let me see. I don't think gold can go anywhere honestly, aside from going down. I mean, I'm not even gonna try to try to say okay, it's gonna. Well, I mean, like if it gets stopped out, we get stopped out. Like it doesn't matter. We're only losing $20 on this, and I want to make $270. So that's it. I mean, not bad for a fucking what penny account. Hmm. Did we take out the lows on the on okay, no, we haven't even worked out the London low yet. So I think we still have a chance here. I think we still have a chance. That is crazy. Oh my god. Wait, are we rejecting that bad? Oh my god, this is rejecting so fucking bad. That is going crazy, bro. Oh, this is where my stop loss is. All right, all right, all right. So is that where my stop loss is? Oh, I thought I kept it above this week right here. No, I don't like that. Let's see what this is gonna do. Yeah, I'm currently in on gold right now. If you want to go in with me, you can go, but try to keep your. I wanted to keep my stop loss above here, but with this week that we just got, I don't want to. I hate to but we didn't really take the low here, so which is why I'm not really concerned about this rejection. Which is why I'm saying you know what, it's gonna feel back down because again, like we're playing based on sweeps right here at the important levels. So I'm playing based on London low right here. So I think we had swept this London low right here and instantly kind of reject back up. I would say that as a complete reversal trade, right? But we didn't do that. So no, I'm not gonna try to say it's gonna go long. I'm not gonna try to do that. I'm just gonna follow the base direction because right now everything is just sell right now. So I think you still wanna do like one more leg. And when it comes to gold, you're gonna get caught like off guard, right? Like if you think, oh, you know what, it's gonna reject, but like gold right now, you're looking at it like it could you could just see boom between a blink, guys. Like it's already coming down. Like I mean, in peace, I don't even understand it. So yeah, that's one thing about gold though. Like if you're right, you're right. If you're wrong, you're gonna be kicked out like 100%. So that's it. What are we in, bro? You can see the pair. Oh my god, sorry for that. Sorry, I'm so fucking sorry. It's the pair. Wait, you can see? Okay, sorry. The pair is gold. I've been mentioning that. Can you see that now? Yeah, I think gold should work out, to be honest. I really think it should work out. But if this works out, that's gonna be crazy, guys. Like that's really gonna be crazy. I think it should work out though. I mean, like we don't have any sweep of the London low. So again, so you can see that. So I'm thinking maybe 1 or 2 hours into the near section, I think this should start going down. This should really start going down, guys. Let me lock the chat on the screen. Yeah, guys, so we're trying to sell right now. So I think again, this is it. Like if you look at this, if you have been trading this for a while, we are currently in the sell. We're in the sell like that. This is gonna be one, and we're not even getting any sort of divergence right here yet. So I'm thinking this one right here should be the next play. I don't want to see this go up right here. So that's kind of like what I'm thinking of. Again, like that's it. Let's see what DXY is doing. Now DXY is gonna feel back up. Now, yeah, of course. We don't want to even short that. Like I mean, like, I know. I don't know what to say to anybody trying to short this. I don't know. Maybe you were trying to shut it under 1 minute. Maybe that would have been good, but nah. Again, look at USDC right here, and if we are not careful, do you understand? Do you remember this? If you look at some of my previous videos, right? If you look at some of my previous videos, what did I say? I said something about USHF when we first shut out USHF somewhere around here, right? I said something about this. I said, "Oh, what's gonna happen?" You see that? I said the only thing that kept me waiting on the USHF was that there is no fucking way. There's no fucking way we are looking at a potential about 200 pips pump, and we're not even trying to grab any lows. Like I refuse to believe. So I'm only gonna wait for USHF to grab this low, and it did that. So of course, like this one here, we might be looking at a possible rally all the way back up right here. I'm not even gonna lie. Let's see what that is looking like on the daily right here. So maybe to this level right here. So I'm gonna put something right here just to make sure this is where we could that's gonna be a potential resistance areas. So we don't want to get caught up in the old shenanigans and stuff. What is he doing? Oh my God, this trade is a pretty trade, because when you have when you have price go below the previous daily low and wake it up and fix back up, all right, this is just a crazy play. And again, with this one right here, this is looking like we are coming back to the zone right here. So I think maybe a little bit of weight here and pull back up to the zone right here is gonna be an ideal play. I think maybe that's it. I think maybe that's what it's gonna look like. I think that's it. I mean, I'm not doing anything crazy. Like I said it. I think I love intraday trades. I think intraday trades is good. Like if I really wait for it. Oh, wait, what trade did I take right now? Gold, right? Let me take it on my shit right here. 1 second. I forgot. Come on. I think I'm gonna link. Maybe I should just link my big account to the live stream account. So I'm going to condition live stream account. Oh my God, fucking open this shit, bro. Gold. Okay. I'm trying to pop in a gold trade right here, guys. I'm trying to pop this in. I'm not confident about the trade, but again, I mean, your most confident trade are gonna be your losing trades. So whenever you say, "Oh, I'm confident it's gonna work out," no, that's when it's gonna weak you the fuck out, bro. Oh, sell that shit, bro. Good. How much am I gonna make? All right, I'm gonna make extra $2,000 if that works out. Now I'm looking at that low. Where is that low, bro? Oh, this low right here. That was what price is that? My take profit is at. My take profit on gold is 3331. Where is 3331 at? Oh, okay. Here. All right. Good. All right, that's it. We should work out. All right, so we're already filling back up. So right now, pretty much 331 right here. 331. Okay, good. That's it. I'm just gonna lock this one right here, guys. I'm gonna lock this. Are you guys in yet? I mean, this is the play. So I'm currently in a drawdown right now. So anybody going in is getting a better entry right now. Like if you can take it, put your stop loss right here. I mean, you're getting a freaking better entry right now. Where is the take profit on this? 3312? Is that 3312? What am I looking at? Like, am I trading? Like, why is the price? What did I take? Why is it different? Okay, it's not different. Three. I mean, I don't know. This shit is bugging. Oh, 3312. I'm not tripping. Oh, that's still down there, bro. Oh my God, no. That is still, oh my God. I had a shitty entry on this thing. I have a shitty entry, guys. Oh my god. I hope you guys got a better entry though. I mean, like, this is it. Like, you can see where my entry is. But again, I'm betting all my eggs on. You know what? We cannot do all this stuff. I mean, like, I'm betting all my. So we can't do. This was supposed to happen yesterday. If this had happened yesterday, then I'll be looking at gold at a massive play. But because this didn't happen yesterday, instead it dragged it all the way to NY section. Now because we had this one right here. So I refuse to believe the only thing we're gonna do right here is gonna be what? Is it what is this? Is it on 1% move? I refuse to believe. I think when we create a structure like this and a sweep like this, we're creating I mean, like, I mean, you can't be, obviously, you're creating volume for something, all right? So I feel like, no, this is gonna go, I mean, you have to at least do 2%, you know? That's what I'm looking at. That's just how I see it. That's just how I see it. There's no magical way to think about it. And I'm protecting my stop loss, close to the London eye right there. So I think I'm not gonna lose. I think I cannot lose though. I think this is good. I mean, I would have just ended the stream right there. I mean, like anyway, it's gonna be the most beautiful. Oh my god, you see that? Let's see. Oh my god, GU feeling back down. GU fucking feeling back down. That is so fucking crazy, guys. We nailed the fucking trade. Look at that then. We nailed it. For those of you, if you're using the EA, I'm running zone at 2 pips and I'm running nano levels. So which is just gonna be all green because I'm gonna since I'm on intraday, I'm trying to take intraday entries. So I have to use nano so I can have quick fast action trades. So this is what I'm running. This is the settings. I mean, I think I can actually import the settings and give you guys the file and you can just drag it on or something like that. I think I can do that. But again, it's not complicated. I'm running zone at 2 pips and I'm running repeat on 9 and I'm running a nano zone. All right. So this is what a micro zone would look like, but I'm running a nano zone because I want to trade in between the levels, What is go doing? All right. So finally, we are feeling that shit, bro. I mean, it's gold. So of course, come on. You just have to respect the rules though. You just have to respect the rules. Yeah, I got sunscreen all over my fucking eyes, my freaking face. I don't even know what I'm fucking protecting though. I don't even go out. The fuck am I protecting? Why is the mic far away? Can you guys even hear me though? Oh, okay, good. We want it. We love this. Much am I up? I'm not even up anything here. If I'm not up anything here, that means I'm still in drawdown right here, guys. Come on, you get out. I'm still in drawdown here. That's what this means. Do you guys think we're gonna go up like this? I mean, I don't think so. I think this is a lovely trade right here. So I think this is a basic, eat resistance, drop pattern right here. But that's not why I'm shutting this. I'm shutting this on a much more advanced model, which is, London Eye below here. We had a sweep from yesterday that didn't do anything. So I'm betting on my ex that, if this didn't do anything today and we still came back up, came back up here, sweep again. Tomorrow if we cross back down again, I'm gonna still shut it from there, So I'm basing that based on, something more. Now, don't you gold? Come on, don't disappoint me, bro. I hate trading gold right now, right? Recently, I didn't just know. I hate trading it. Now, this wise got feeling back up. You can't even start fucking drop. I expect before this one even gets back here, gold should already be somewhere around here. Really? Somewhere around here would be better. What the fuck is this? The fuck? No fucking way, bro. All right. I love that new candle on gold. I love that new candle. As long as that candle doesn't really get back up here, I think we're good. I mean, everything is with me right now. Like, everything is literally like with me. We have the gimmick layout. We have the 20 DMA, 20 DMA account, like, that. So I think this is kind of like, a no-brainer trade, and it should be the easiest trade. Again, like I always said, like, your most, the best trade, what you think is going to be the best trade is going to be your biggest loss, But again, even when I do think it's going to be the best trade, I am still not over leveraging my shit, So I'm kind of like, I'm keeping it low and slow. I mean, like, it's $100 fucking account, and we are around $1,000 right now. If this goes, I lose $20. If this goes, now we're gonna be what? Oh no, I'm not looking. I don't know. But I don't trust this TP. I don't think I'm gonna wait to that TP. To be honest, I think I'm just gonna close somewhere around here. So I'm gonna close somewhere around here. I'm not gonna fucking wait for this OTP. I think that's where my nightmare begins, when I start holding trade for too long. No, if the impulse leg happens right now, I am gonna take the profit. I'm not gonna wait for any sort of like, crazy pullback or anything like that, because I got a big account on the line. So I'll be making crazy money anyways. So I don't have any reason to, be greedy. That was good. So it took me 20 days to lose $1,000, but it took me one good day to make $1,000. You can't make that shit up. And in 20 days, I think I've been doing a lot of dumb shit. This thing should be easy though. Like, it should be really easy. I think because I'm kind of like, trying to do it on the 4-hour again. So it's kind of like frustrating. So I'm kind of like over leveraging the shit out of that thing. I'm not adding to the trades. Oh, but on intradays, I'm not adding to the trades. I'm just letting the trades run, And if I'm wrong, I'm gonna close very, very quickly, guys. Like, when I trade like this, the rule is very simple. Even though you think it's here, the moment gold close anywhere around here, I'm gonna cut the loss. If it closes anywhere around here, I am gonna fucking cut the loss. Like, that's it. But if I kind of like, added to the trade and scaling like, faster, like very quickly, the stop loss would be somewhere around here that it is almost impossible for me to exit out at the loss, even if I know I'm wrong. Look at that. Oh my God, this trade. Oh my fucking God. Look at that, bro. This was yesterday. That's a great trade. Let's think out what that looks like on the zone. Where is NZD/USD? Oh, where is EA? All right. So let me look at that. I'm on the 9 zones. I'm running 2 right now. Okay, so guys, look at that. Notice when we cross, right? Notice when we cross, like, this is just there. My God, what the fuck is gold doing? What the fuck are you doing, man? Anyways, I don't have to panic. I think it's gonna go. Look at that. That is a beautiful one. I mean, like, intraday wise, you shouldn't even be shorting this. I mean, you can't even short this. Like, what are you shorting this based off? You can't be shutting that, because right now, today already, we were below the PDL, right? And we crossed over during London section right here. So, I mean, what do you expect? Like, what do you expect? If we go below this level right here, that will be a massive short, like to close the longs and go massive short, right? But since we didn't do that, so at least you have to respect the rule right now. That's just it. Go at 06. I don't know what gold is gonna do, but I'm confident. I'm not confident. Sorry, I'm not the one controlling the event market. I just think gold is difficult recently. Like, When you think it's gonna be an easy trade, it's not gonna be an easy trade. But when you think it's gonna be a hard trade, he's gonna do a hard manipulation. It's not gonna do shit. It's just gonna go straight down. And we've seen that happen like over time. Like, there was what was this day? There was a particular day somewhere here. I think when we're doing the lows or something. Yeah, somewhere here, guys. Look at this. On this day, I was on stream the other day, and I'm like, you know what? I was expecting advanced manipulation, like, gold weakening out, and that shit just straight up, like, crash all the way down, bro. Like, what the fuck is that? So, do you guys see that? Like this. So I was expecting an advanced play right here, like, maybe price manipulating this, highs liquidity, as people love to call it. I was thinking that because I was thinking to advance. I should have just taken the stuff and put a stop loss right here and get hit on the first stop loss. And if you get hit and go back down, I would take it again. I should have just go for that formation instead. But instead, I kind of like, I will wait, I will wait for the manipulation, but it didn't come. What if not? So what ended up happening? I missed the fucking whole ride, bro. So now I'm not doing that again. Oh my God. That is a nasty shit, bro. When I'm rejecting on here, is he rejecting? He's below the zone. I should have just taken this shit. That's the thing here. Look at that. The fuck? Let's just hope we reject, though. Let's just hope we reject. Because if we do not, I'm going to close the shit out. No, fine. I'll take a $200 fucking loss. But if we go back below, though, I think it's going to happen. If we go back below here again, I think it's going to be straight up down, to be honest. So let's be patient. It's not going to be easy, though. The best trades are not always easy, like, easy to watch. And the 4-hour looks good. The 8-hour looks good. Like, everything just looks good. Even the daily does look good. Looks like we're coming back to the zone right here. So I think everything checks out, honestly speaking. And I have my stop loss somewhere around here. So maybe worst case scenario right here. Do I ever want to wait for that worst case scenario though? I'm not sure. I don't think I want to wait for that. I could grow this live stream, guys. Like, I can literally grow this live stream to like, a lot of viewers, to be honest. But I'm not just motivated because I'm failing, I can grow this, I can grow this and that's it. I can grow the live stream to like tons of views like every single time. But no, I'm not confident just yet. Because I'm still doing dumb shit. So when I get my shit together and I literally said like, if I get this account to like, 1,500 or something, now the motivation to actually do anything is going to be back. So, but for now, I'm not getting motivated to do shit until this account gets like even $2,000 plus. Because yeah, I feel way too much, like, to not even, no, I cannot. I mean, I'm going crazy based off little people copying my trades. What do you think is going to happen when a lot of people start copying my trade? Like hundreds of people start copying my trades, bro. I'm just going to faint. Like, bro, I'm going to lose my shit, bro. So I can do it. I just have to put my money on the line. And that's it. I'm not so much. Wow. Finally. Now we're at $1,000 and we took the $1,000 profit. We hit $1,000, not floating, but actual $1,000, and we took profit this time. That is crazy, bro. That is fucking crazy. Fuck? I hope it's my account. What if my account doing it? We have 15 minutes left to be on the stream, guys. Wait, where's the go trade again? Sorry. Okay, I'm tripping right now. Sorry, this is what I should have done, sorry. I'll also use 5 from gold. Nah, I don't think so. So since we have the red line there, I think it's just gonna come back down. I don't think anything should happen there. Gold can be crazy though. I'm not even gonna try to predict what's gonna happen, to be honest. Because gold can be really crazy. I'm not even gonna try to predict it. Just gonna watch. All I can say is, did I do the right thing, shorting? Yeah, that's the right thing. Yeah, maybe could I have gotten a better entry? Yeah, I could have, you know? I could have gotten a better entry, of course. But again, what do you mean? I mean, we just here to make money, so regardless, as long as my stop loss is kind of like there and I want it, and if I can just do one of my stop loss or 1.2 or 1.3 of my stop loss, I'm already good. This is a small account, so even making $100 is something, to be honest, like a day, bro. I love that rejection there, though. I love that rejection. I think we can still do this down. I think we can do it, actually. I think we can do it. So I will put on a lot, yeah, somewhere around here. Just so when we break. Because we have about a little less than 15 minutes on the stream right now. Honestly, we should have just gone for, like, you know, USD, honestly speaking. We could have just gone for that short, honestly. Because, you know, if we do think it's going to fill back up, you know, we could have just, you know, take it back down again and take our 1-to-1 and we're already good. If gold don't walk out, I'm not fucking pick out the pair from my list, bro. If gold didn't work out with this single pattern right here, I am going to fucking take out the pair. I'm not going to trade it again. On stream, no. I'm not going to take it because I had a better opportunity. I could have just taken EU right here, right? I could have just taken this, you know? Because again, we were expecting, like, you know, this to fill back up, of course. So I could have just taken EU right there, like, of course. But because I think, you know what? I saw a better opportunity. You know what? I think we still have more leg down on gold. So obviously, if this is going up, right, you know, this can actually, you know, come back down. But if this end up going up while DXY is not doing anything crazy, I'm gonna fucking take this fucking trade out, bro. I'm never gonna try. I'm not joking, guys. I'm not joking. I'm not fucking delete the fucking gold off my list. I mean, I've made tons of money on gold in the past, but I don't know. Recently, I don't just know what the fuck it is. Your job is not looking good. I don't like that week right there. But again, I think it's just to crawl up. Can we crawl up? Can we crawl up? Go to 1? Really? The fuck? What the fuck are we doing here, buddy? What the fuck are we doing? Don't even tell me we're trying to do one more leg right here. I don't even tell me that. Don't even tell me. Just go down so we don't have problems, gold. Well, I mean, we have the red line, so I mean, I'm putting my stop loss, you know, above, like, you know, 2 keys right there. So that's good. That's really good. That's a trade. And that's one thing about gold. You can't really, like, base it off DXY, and that's why. And recently, like, I've been basing everything off DXY. So if gold is fading based off even basing it off DXY, it's gonna be a problem for me trading gold because, I mean, like, you can see it, like, DXY is currently what? Shooting up right now, guys. You can see, like, fill back up. What the fuck are we doing here? What the fuck are we doing here? Like, you know, does this even make sense? It doesn't make sense. So if I keep basing this off being DXY, I'm gonna gonna blow everything. So no, rather than that, I'm gonna take it off the list. I'm gonna take it off the list until maybe when it gets a little bit more cleaner, and I see, okay, you know what? Maybe it's still gonna work out. Maybe it's still gonna work out. But anyways, uh, guys, 10 minutes to the end of the stream. This is the trade I'm running right now. And you can be on the Discord, or you don't have to be on the Discord, guys. This is the stop loss. If this close here, close your fucking trade. Wait for tomorrow. That's just it. I just let it hit stop loss though. Sometimes sometimes maybe watching it hit stop loss can save you a lot of money. Maybe actually watching your trades hit stop loss can save you a lot of money. But I think on gold, I think we have a clean invalidation. I think we have a clean invalidation that we can actually work with. So we don't really have to wait to stop loss. Some things are just obvious that, what, if this fills back up and close nicely, and imagine DXY coming, gold coming closing here, right? And DXY now closing below somewhere around here. So I don't want to really hope for anything. That's going to be me hoping right now because DXY is kind of changing direction, right? So no. I don't think, no. So it's just obvious that, you just have to close it. Just close it and be done with it, Just close it. If we close around here, is good. If we close somewhere around here nicely, instead of kind of just reject down. So wait for it close, guys. Wait for it close, all right? Then, I don't know about you. I'm going to get this account to $10,000. I did not know about you, bro. I am going to get this account to $10,000. Imagine, okay, no, this so happened. Imagine I kind of we enter the trade right here, and I compound it and I put my stop loss here, open it, knowing I only want to take a 1-to-1. So even getting here alone is going to be $500 up, right? So I would have been floating $1,500 today alone. So do you see that? So no, I cannot even, what? Gold +1? There you go, bro. Okay, that makes sense. Well, that does make sense, I mean, I would take it, if DXY is rejected, now I know that, okay, good. DXY actually failed, right? So gold should fail. You understand? Now, I would love that narrative. I would love to think about it like that. Then having DXY flying the fuck up and gold flying. Nah, I'm taking that shit out right away because this is not the fourth time, second time, third time, fourth time doing that. So now it's giving, okay, maybe you shouldn't be using DXY to counter trade gold. So no. What is this? That is crazy. $700 up, guys. Oh my god. That is mad, bro. That is so fucking mad. I'm kind of turning my head, kind of trying to get a view from a different point. Is this going to go down? Is this going to go up? Honestly, nothing is really kicking in, so. Gold is too volatile, moves crazy. Yeah, I mean, the plan on gold is very simple though. All right, if we close anything above, but it's not looking good. This is looking we shouldn't even the third candle or the fourth candle after those weeks should already be getting us somewhere around here. But if we keep closing like this, we're still rejecting, so it's still making sense. But the moment we close around here, I am gonna close the fuck out. I am gonna exit gold. The moment we close somewhere around here, I'm gonna exit the gold. If it close nicely close somewhere around here, I am closing the gold trade. Because that red line right there is not a line you want to mess with. But if we gold manage to close above that, nah. If gold manage to close above this line right here, I'm not gonna even hope for anything. It's done. It's done. It's a done deal. It's gunning for my fucking money. You can be in the Discord. You don't have to pay anything. Just register with one of the brokers we use, and that's it. So yeah, you can be in the Discord. The trade again we took on Discord is right there. Even the gold trade I took on stream is literally right there, guys. So the stop loss is right there. The stop loss is right there. You can see that. The lot size is right there for you guys to see. The take profit is there. The IRR is there. New order on gold. Since I'm not adding to the trades again on stream, I said it. I said I'm not going to be adding to the... Maybe that was the game changer. Like, maybe that was it. Oh, that is definitely it. Because I've been trying to get like... That was definitely it. That's definitely what changed the game. Because it's not like I've been wrong. It's not that. It's that I'm right. But then I already scaled in heavily on the trades that my stop loss is already closed. Now imagine I've scaled in on this trade, gold trade right now, my stop loss will be here. So I wouldn't even be able to say, you know what, if gold close around here, I'm gonna exit the trade and cut losses, you know? I'm not even gonna be able to say that. I'm not gonna be able to say that because I already scaled too much and I can't even close because it takes a lot of guts to be able to scale in on a trade to perfectly place those trades and then watch it, and then find it very easy to close all of those trades. It's not easy, you know. That's kind of like, you know, the downside to flipping. Like when you stealing too much, you know it's wrong. You know you're gonna get stopped out, but you leave it anyways because, bro, you loaded nicely on the trade, so it is fucking difficult to close that trade. So that's where my loss have been coming from. Like I scaled in very early, I scaled in very fast because I'm gonna do like, you know, $1,000. Like I want to do $100, like $40 on that trade. And that's so fucking risky. That's looking like 1.4 hour. I have to tighten up the stop loss. But again, there's a way I do it that I get away with it most of the time. But most of the time, again, that doesn't mean it's not a high risk trade. It's a high risk trade. So it's not gonna be easy, you know, to handle. All right. So now the moment I decided, you know what, I'm not gonna add to the live stream account. I'm not gonna add into any trade, even if the trade is so fucking good that I knew if I had added to the trade, I would have won. I would still not do it because a lot of people are copying on the Discord, and I want to make sure, no, bro, fucking no. So it makes life easier, you know, right? I'm just saying, oh, guys, no, don't copy this on the trades. Don't copy this one, guys. Only copy one trade. Well, I'm only just going to give you one trade. That's just it. I'm not going to add to the trade. And if I do add to the trade, I would turn off the copier. I would turn off the MT5 to Discord to not send the second trade, just so you guys don't add to the trade again on your own because you guys just don't listen, to be honest. Like you guys, I like the idea of you guys, you know, being a risk taker and not backing out of anything. I love the idea of that. But again, like, you know, we gotta know what we're doing here, right? You don't have the amount of, you know, money I'm willing to put on this to make it work. You don't have the same amount. All right. You do not have the same amount. All right. I got $18,000 now lying on the sidelines for this. So you do not have that. You know, not everybody has that, right? So no, don't do that. On top of that, I still have a client who gave me $43,000 that I'm making 50% off of, right? Now, that is even extra liquidity, like that's extra funds, you know, to play with. That's liquid money. So you guys should not do it. Don't do it. That's looking good though, right? Yeah, of course. So the XY moves, God moves, everybody wins, nobody's complaining, everything is good. This is what we're talking about, guys. But I'm not finding a way on the stream to let this one eat take profit though, because I haven't even had breakfast, bro. Like I had my breakfast literally after I end the stream. So yeah, why am I doing that? I do that because I tend to overdo things. So me doing that, it kind of make me want to stick to the rule of, okay, look, 1 hour to 1.5 hours on stream, guys. You know, unless you guys are here saying, you know what, let's watch this trade together and let it take profit. Maybe I might wait, but I mean, there's not much people on here, which is good. But again, I already break down the trade. You can watch it, and we don't want to make the stream difficult for those people that are not live, right? So you can just watch it, kind of like, you know, see what's going on, right? So I think gold is moving nicely. What are we on right now? $1,000 fair fee. We are kind of like $4 up right now. Meh. Oh, damn, bro. Let me see. How much we up? Place. Let me see 3,000. Find out loan. Let me see 3,000. 3,000. Five fucking $100, God. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. All right, guys, it's already 1 hour right here. So I'm going to leave you guys right now, guys. I'm going to leave you guys. You guys share your stream. Make sure you pop in every single day. All right. Make sure you pop in every single goddamn day. I'm not into the trades. And I know I'm a very fucking good trader because I know sometimes I look at myself and I kind of like praise myself sometimes like that. It's always like that. I just feel like there's a reason why I'm thinking about things differently recently since I started streaming. I don't know. I don't want to say, oh, in front of trading it live. And I don't want to say that. Of course I do that. I've done something way more transparent than that and I still survive. So, yeah. But anyways, like that, right? So that is it. All right, guys. So that's it. That's the trade I'm running right now. That's a stop loss. That's a stop loss. Everything is right here. I'm not heading to the trades. I'm going to leave this one right here. Okay, guys. So, all right. I'm going to see you guys. Let me see if I can add to the trade on this one. I'm not heading to the live stream account trades. No, I don't want to do that, guys. I'm adding on a big account here. All right, I headed to the trade. Don't make me regret this, gold. God, don't make me regret this. Let me try to zoom out a little bit. Let me show the line. Base somewhere here. And that's good. There's somewhere here is good. All right, guys. So that'll be all for the stream. Nice trades today. If anybody took it, good luck. Congratulations. And I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow, guys. Have a great day.